Hey everybody, Technically Jeff here, and today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in my Kia EV6. This is something that is part of the recommended maintenance every 16,000 miles for the car, and dealerships typically charge over $100 for it when you can easily do it yourself for significantly less. I'll walk you through the entire process of accessing the old one, getting it out, and putting the new one in. So let's get to it. So I got the new air filter out of the box here. I got this one off Amazon. It's from a company called A Premium, and it's a direct replacement HEPA high efficiency filter with activated carbon, and it looked pretty good. And a 2-pack on Amazon was only $23. I'll link it in the description for you, but it definitely seemed to be the best for the price. And the airflow should go down, so I'll flip it over here. Now to access the cabin air filter, we'll go under the hood, and inside the frunk we'll remove this center portion here. Let me take out the tray bottom. And this just pops right out. There we go. And right back here is where the cabin air filter is. On the passenger side, we'll squeeze the top and bottom together. And it comes loose. And then we slide it out of the other side. And there we go. There's the old filter with the airflow facing down, like I mentioned, which is important. And you can see the new one is the exact same size as the old one. And the old one definitely looks a little dirty, so it's good to replace it. I'm at a little over 16,000 miles now. I'll just insert the new one here with the airflow facing down. And it fits right in there. Now I'll grab that cover and slide it in the driver's side first. And then snap in the passenger side. And that's it. It's that simple. Now I'll put the bottom back in the frunk. And close everything up and we're good to go. It's very quick and easy. Start to finish, that was under 3 minutes. So please don't pay a dealership to do this. Again, I'll post a link to the cabin air filter I got in the description for you guys. It's got good reviews and it looks good, and as you can see, it fits really well. But anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions on this. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I have a lot coming. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.